Do you know this flower? Here's what miracles it can do to your health. Have you ever heard of hibiscus? Hibiscus tea benefits are due to antioxidants found in this beverage, earning the status of a therapeutic agent for a number of issues. The hibiscus flower can be used to prepare a sweet, red tea, which has become very popular among people who wish to lose weight healthily. It's low in calories, and it's good for treating hypertension, reducing cholesterol, protecting our liver, relieving menstrual cramps, improving our immune system, reducing anxiety, improving digestion, preventing cancer. In addition to all these benefits, the hibiscus flower is rich in mucilage, which helps regulate bowel movements. Most people who use hibiscus flower tea attest that, when combined with healthy eating habits, it can help you shed several pounds in no time. This beverage helps to reduce fat, improves digestion, regulates intestinal transit, and also combats fluid retention, thus contributing to weight loss. If you want to lose weight, then you should try this hibiscus tea recipe, which calls for other ingredients that accelerate our metabolism and contribute to weight loss. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 5 dehydrated hibiscus or 1 tablespoon if chopped, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves. Instructions: boil the water. Once it starts to boil, add the ingredients and leave them to simmer for another 3 minutes. It's recommended that you drink between 1 and 3 cups of tea per day between meals. No need to sweeten the tea, the taste should already be pleasant enough. People with low blood pressure and pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their physician before consuming this tea. If in doubt, always consult your doctor before taking a thermogenic drink.